Let's begin with some of the most important topics. The first is the vaccination for your COVID 19, and you have more than 67 pre-clinical trials, and three of them have already reached to human trial phase, and therefore it's believed that might be a vaccine could come up very soon. Now, vaccination, what it actually does is it reduces the incidence of the disease and it reduces the socio-economic burden. So let's say, what is the utility of lockdown? The idea is we are trying to reduce the pressure on our health infrastructure so that there is not all of a sudden a drastic pressure on the healthcare system. Similarly, with vaccination, what we do is we are reducing the socio-economic burden of the country on the various diseases that are seen. So there are various diseases which are part of the vaccination schedule in India and across globe. So here are some of the standard ones that have been part in India. Now there are certain diseases where we have a significant risk that have been seen, so all those would be available in the handouts. Now we are also talking about the plasma therapy. Three of the states have said to use the plasma therapy. Now plasma has antidotes, which is a yellowish liquid that is present in the blood, and that helps to fight the infection. So the plasma therapy is basically the one infected person would develop those antinodes and the antibodies, and those would be injected to the another person, and as a result the plasma would witness the formation of the antibodies and reduction in the disease level. The next is the various types of coronavirus. So we have a list of the various types of coronavirus, and then the three less common ones which have become more common in news these days. So again, those are important. Now, what are the studies regarding the COVID-19? You have the various viruses that have been studied. 90% of the viruses remain on the surface after 14 days of incubation if at 4 degrees Celsius. At 37 degrees Celsius, these viruses are halved and they no longer remain. Again, we have some of the sectors which are most affected by the lockdown activity for tourism for the COVID-19, which includes tourism, airlines, retail, shipping, and leisure related activities. However, some of the positive sectors include online services, retails, gold mining, and the companies related to online issues. Then we have the world's first zero waste sustainable chocolate brand that has come up in the name of Coca Trade, and this is one of the vegan gluten free product that has been incubated by Coca Shala, and this is a brand which has been developed in Chennai. It is completely biodegradable in nature, so an interesting concept indeed to understand. The next is the ice free summers in Arctic. So it's less than in next 30 years it's believed that Arctic area would become completely ice free, and therefore it's one of the major concerns for us to understand how this scenario would be and why it has become so. It is due to extreme heat waves, torrential floods that are there, severe weather situations that are arising. The next is, because of the COVID lockdown, what has happened is the minor forest produce that has been that is being done by most of the villagers, the tribals, is being affected, and you have a drop in the production that has been seen, and a huge amount of population who is dependent on these, mainly Mahua, where you have 56 million population which is dependent. Then you have Sal seeds, where you have nearly 30 million population that is dependent, is badly affected because of the lockdown scenario and the disruption in the supply chain. The next is the pandemics and the global pharmaceutical systems. So active pharma ingredient is very important. So this active pharma ingredient, or what is known as API, is the basis for all generic drugs that is there, and then with different formulations, different color, taste, they are sold under different brand names. India constitutes to only 10% of the API. However, 55% of the API comes from China. So that 55% accounts for a significant major proportion. We have seen some of the drugs like Niacet, which is nimesulide, the prices have increased significantly. The reason being, most of these drugs, as we could see in the list here, have their API coming from China, and because of this pandemic there was a significant disruption in the supply chain that was seen. So API is affecting the businesses badly. Also, we have seen a lot of pharma industries are creating issues of pollution. Nearly 2% rise in the lung cancer cases, 5% rise in the lung and the heart diseases that have been witnessed because of the airborne pollution. Now, where are the major hubs and where are the major superbug infections that are seen? So it is the belt of Telangana, Himachal, which is Baddi, which is very, very important and a major pharma belt. And then you have Sipcot, which is another industrial center in Kudalur. So these are three of the major ones that we have seen. Now Goa is being selected as one of the major centers because you have lot of skilled manpower, a lot of technical advancements that is coming, a lot of different variety of people that are being present there. The next is the panchayats have come up with educating people about sanitation, educating people about overall development and bringing in more Manrega jobs, and that is one of the reasons that we are trying to fight from the pandemic that is existing in the society. Now this is how we have a chart about the consumption of the water patterns in India. Recently, Karakuta is one of the volcanoes in Indonesia which erupted, and this Karakuta volcano is very, very important because this erupted back in 1800s, and then you have the eruption that started in April again. So again in news, very, very important, in Indonesia it means the child of Karakuta, and you have the average temperature that could come down by 1.2 degrees Celsius because of this. Now the fast foods. This has been a really, really interesting topic. We have been discussing it across the down to earth editions. The idea is these fast food chains use use chickens and other products which are being fed with antibiotics. However, in the countries like Canada and Europe, they have been banning the use of such chickens where antibiotic or multi-drug resistance antibiotics have been given to those chickens. But there is no such restrictions as of now in India, and we have seen a significant proportion of the chickens being used which are being treated with ciprofloxacin, which is a class of fluoroquinolone, and erythromycin, which belongs to marcolate. So these are important, the two antibiotics and their composition, and which are creating a highest priority critical important antimicrobial resistance in the human body. So that is how we have seen. Now this is a table that shows about the various brands that are there in India, and whether they have eliminated the misuse of antibiotics, whether they are willing to eliminate or not, and for what purposes they are using, and where they have reduced the usage. So this is again an important knowledge that you must have. The next important thing that you must know is India has got a new monsoon calendar, and there has been no shift in the date of onset. Only in the regions of Gujarat, Maharashtra, you have seen the delay in the monsoon that has been registered by around 3 to 7 days, and again the exit of the monsoon you have seen the delays, but the overall exit remains the 15th October as well. Now, so far from 1901 to 1940, the data was collected on the existing rainfall data. Later on, you had the forecast data which was used for 1961 to 2019. And for the withdrawal dates, we are talking about changes in the monsoon behavior which has been seen over the past months. So, those are some of the important issues that we need to know, and this is really, really an important question. The next is to Mars, we have sent various satellites. Rover is one of those which is trying to bring in the sample of rocks from Mars. Again, you have a tailed lemur which has been in news from Madagascar. Now, most of these lemurs are on the verge of extinction. The idea is they try to mark their territory, and that is mainly for the purpose of mating, and they have the wrist secretions which changes from their tail, and that determines their region. The next is the vehicular pollution is significantly decreasing because now people are getting educated about the actual cost, and they are trying to cut the vehicular emission by reducing the usage and considering more of public transportation. Patent pools are being taken into account, and you have medicine patent pools which are being established. Now these are mainly for the design, copyright and the blueprint that are taken into account. Then you have Ethiopia's region which is known as the Dalol hydrothermal region. Now this is lying in the Dunkil depression and it is one of the lowest land areas in the world. Now you have significantly hyperacid and hypersaline combinations that are seen in these areas. Also you have disruption of the various things that are seen, and the volcanic crater that is seen here has significantly high proportion of sodium, iron, potassium, manganese and calcium that has been seen in this region. The next is the dams that are being created. If they are not being used, if the water does not run through on a regular basis, there is corrosion that occurs, there is requirement for protection of embankments, and Portland Cement Association has been working greatly for those. So transforming these water agencies and looking for a rational perspective for dams becomes very, very important. Now Brahmaputra is one of the major rivers of northeast India. However, after the recent earthquake that was witnessed in the region of Tibet, the path of the Brahmaputra has changed. Another important reason for changing the path is huge amount of silt deposition that is seen when it enters the region of Assam, and there is drop in the gradient. Also there is high rainfall in the regions of Siang, and that therefore results in flooding of the water and changing of the path. Aerosols, the use of aerosols has significantly increased, but as of now, with the pandemic period going on and lockdowns across the globe, you have seen a significant decline, a 20-year low in the aerosol in the atmosphere. Now what are aerosols? Small solid or liquid particles in the suspended air, which could be artificial, which could be natural, and those are basically the particulate matter or the air pollutants that are there in the atmosphere. Now world overall is facing an acute crisis of healthcare workers, mainly the nurses. There is a shortage of nearly 5.9 million nurses across the globe, and this accounts mainly in the low and the middle income countries. So that is again one of the important concerns. So in this session we have talked about Ankarakuta, which is important. Then we have talked about the API, the active pharmaceutical ingredients. We have talked about the pharma pollution, the regions where India has witnessed severe amount of pharma pollution, the fast food industries, and the impact of antibiotic usage on the chickens and the livestock there, which affects the human systems. And then we have also talked about Ethiopia's Dunkil depression, which is again a very, very important topic. We would be coming up with many more interesting topics for you. Stay tuned, stay subscribed. Have a wonderful day ahead.